Wanna see a beautiful house with 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms that can be used as a short-term rental as well here in Orlando? Come on, let me show you. I am Cleberto Copetti, real estate broker with Real Estate Compass here in Orlando. And in this channel, we show you why Orlando is a great place to live, work, play, and invest. That's what you're looking for. Please don't forget to click the button subscribe and the bell so you can get new videos.
A pool home with style and lots of space while offering privacy and the delight of being near Florida's world-renowned entertainment facilities. Yes, you can have it all at 518 Marcelo Boulevard. This spectacle of a house sits in the 24-hour gated Bellavida neighborhood with in-community facilities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, sand volleyball court, and fitness room. Extending to 2 stories, this home includes 8 bedrooms with 1 major bedroom on each floor. It highlights a game room that's decked out with fantastic fixtures that will knock your socks off. Well appointed, it truly is, given it has all appliances, including 2 refrigerators and 2 dishwashers. One of the key features is the large pool and spa area that boasts a tree-covered backdrop and numerous professional upgrades, from ceramic flooring to an extended lanai and pool deck, and 2 sets of large glass doors that slide open to the pool area. This unbelievable home is only minutes drive to Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, I-4, and Lake Buena Vista shopping outlets, as well as many other shopping venues and restaurants. It can be used as your primary residence, short-term or long-term rental. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enjoy.
Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and watch another video. See you on the next one.